Hi, now we discuss about input NIC number and get our birthday. So first we know Sri Lanka peoples have two NIC number, that's old NIC number and new NIC number. Old NIC number have 10 numbers and new NIC number have 12 number. This NIC number modified. First, I like to explain this NIC number. First, two numbers modify when this main born of year. So this main when born 80. 80 means 1980, this main born. Next three numbers modify when this main born days. So we know this days less than 500. This is a male NIC number, and this days greater than 500, this NIC is female NIC number. We know how many months in a year. January has 31 days and February has 28 days and March month has 31 days and April month has 30 days, is equal to 120 days. So 120 days. We know this main when born 119th day, but here 120. So we can identify this main born April month because 119 days less than 120. So I like to run the programming language. Why I import this code? Because we should import date function, because we need next year, next date, so we should import date function. So what is the date in our device? So that will be add here. So we should import date function. First we should get input NIC number from user. So NIC number is equal to input, enter your NIC number. Next line, we should check this NIC number, new NIC number or old NIC number. So if NIC number length is equal to 10, we know this NIC, old NIC number has start 80 or 90, but here we assign 19. Why we add this number? 80, 18s mean 1980. So we should add this 19 and plus NIC number. NIC number, this assigned index. So 18, 90, 20. So first two numbers will be at this code, same at the function. Last 2 to 5 NIC number will be add. Else, if NIC number is new NIC, so will be add index 0 to 4, same like that. And we know this days less than 500, that is male, and we know that NIC number greater than 500, that is female. So now here we assign to day is equal to, we know female have up to 500. So example 620 days minus 500, 120. So that is female. So I like to explain this line. If integer year, so I already told January month has 31 days, February month has 28 days, and so if day is greater than or equal 31, month is 1 mean January month, and add if day greater than or equal 60, February month has 29 days, so 31 plus 29, 60, and March month has 30 days, so 60 days add 31 day, 91. So February month has 121 days and 152, and November month has 335, and December month has 366 days. So date it equal to day minus 335. So now assign birthday is equal to year plus month plus str date. Why I assign str date? Already we call date integer. Now we should get string type, so I change this coding string and print my birthday. This line explain to my birthday will be come on next month or next week or next year. So my birthday today month equal to birthday object month, and today greater than or birthday object day, or today month greater than birthday day object month. So next birthday year, today year 2021 plus 1 2022, else print this year. My birthday will be come next year, or this coding this year. So next assign next birthday, so we call here all date, year and birthday month and day. Next print my birthday and remaining days. So next birthday will become 2022 minus today date. So now here print remaining days for the next birthday. So thank you.